Hello there. Hello, okay. Sa video na ito, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung kung ano yung nasa loob ng isang Go High Level sub account. So, this is my sub account under my client's white labeled agency. So, this is what it looks like. So, here, makikita mo iba't ibang menu. So, if you click dashboard, sa dashboard, this is at a glance, makikita mo na yung leads, conversions, yung pipeline ni client. So, kung saan man yung opportunity status, yung value, conversion rate. So, makikita mo na dyan, parang analytics na siya at a glance. So, under conversations, so dito papasok yung emails, chat, sa Blue App, if naka-integrate yung Blue App nila, yung kanilang mga social media platform, papasok yan dito. So, parang ito na yung pinaka-customer service platform. So, dito yung mga messages, conversation between the client and their customer. So, calendars, pag kailangan mag-book ng mga appointments, mag-book ng call, contacts. So, dito naman naka-store lahat ng kanilang mga leads, mga clients, opportunities, para siyang pipeline. Ito yung journey ng customer nila from lead to being a customer, and then payments. Dito naman ginagawa yung product, nagsiset up ng payment links, nagsiset up ng product, na kung may coupon code na kailangan i-set up, and subscription. So, follow me for the next video para sa remaining menus.